All right, let's check. We're live. We're live. We're live. We're live. We're live. Excellent. Good stuff. Hello, Facebook fans. Yes, this is. Oh gosh, it's over here, isn't it? You watch my fingers go strange on this. Okay, right. So unless you've been hiding under a rock for the last week, you will know that the One Funnel Away challenge starts on Monday, right? And I wanted to do something incredible and try and make this offer as good as possible for you. So you are actually going to get everything from Russell Brunson during the next 30 days, starting on Monday, the 11th, right? And we all know what sort of value he can bring. If you've been through the 5-day live challenge to get leads, you will know already how much value he can provide for your business. Even if you're starting from nothing or you're in the middle or right at the top, this is still going to be worth your while, right? So what I wanted to do is, like I said, put this together, make you a super cool offer as well. And what makes it different this time with the One Funnel Away challenge is that Russell's doing all the sessions live. So it's going to be super cool. You're still going to be able to get to access after the day. So if you get stuck or you miss a couple of days, doesn't matter, you can go back, catch up, not a problem. But I wanted to sweeten the deal up a little bit for you, right? So if any of, gosh, my language can't get out. If any of you have seen my Easy Leads program recently, you will know that that has been on sale at $297. And I'm actually going to give anyone that gets the OFA through the link, which you see around this video, free access to it, right? Where I've been able to generate solid verified email leads for only 6 cents, right? And I'm going to give you a complete over the shoulder training on how to do that and how we manage to maximize that and get profit at the end as well. So that's super cool. You're also going to get one-on-one access to me for the next 30 days. So anytime you've got questions or you need help with anything, I'm going to be there, and it's going to be so cool because I want to give back as much as I possibly can for this, right? And when you go to that link, you're going to see it's an affiliate funnel, right? Disclaimer, yep, I'm an affiliate. And if you want to start earning $100 commissions, I will give you that funnel as well. So you can start doing exactly the same as what I'm doing, get people on board and start earning that money as well. So you can put money straight back in your pocket. Remember, you only need one sale to cover the entire cost of everything, right? So it's super cool. And I'll even share with you my own personal organic traffic training so that you can start getting those sales plus build your business at the same time. Now, Russell Brunson has put his total value at 3,126. Now, the total value from me personally, I put it on as 6,770. Now, that is not a joke, because if anyone's been to see the Easy Leads training program sales page, you'll see where I've laid out all the values, and it's realistic. I don't like bullshit. I don't like pretending about what something is worth. So I put realistic values on something based on my own experience. Okay, right. So total value is close to $10,000, right? And what does it cost? It costs you $100 to get in right now. So go to that link around this video. Make sure you get signed up before Monday, or if you're after Monday, that's fine too. You can catch up. I'll still be here and I'll catch up with you then.